The police officers that transported you, did they have food along the route when they were transporting you home?
Manje umuzo ukuthi amaphoyisa la kade uhamba nawo kuphelekeza le ekhaya ngabe bona kade benako yini ukudla ngabe khona yini isikhathi la abadla ngaso emgwaqweni?
Yebo sikhona.
Yes.
The comments from both of you. Yes, Mr. Newman, cross-examination.
My understanding is that as long as I elicit information that is within the four corners of the record, I'm entitled.
As long as you do what?
As long as I elicit information that is within the four corners of the record, I'm entitled to ask any questions to the witness.
All right. Still under oath, sir?
Isikhumbuzo wakhe mnumzana ukuthi sase ngaphansi kwesifungo uphana ngofakazi bakho yezwa ke.
Yeah.
Understood my lord?
So as at the 26th of October 2014, did you know accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa?
Manje kumele unombuzo afisa ukuthi akubuze wona kumele umnumzana uMaphisa ubuzo ke ukuthi ngabe ngelanga la nge26 kaOctober ngomnyaka 2014 kade umazi yini umnumzana uMaphisa yebo noma cha?
Yebo bengimazi. Bengisacela
Yes, I knew him. However, I would like to.
izolo la inkosi eKatolo iyakhuluma inkulumo yasethi ngaphendula mangifisa ukuphendula.
However, yesterday the court had made mention of something and then the court said, if I am free to answer, therefore I can answer.
Bengisacela ukuthi ngiqondise inkulumo mhlambe ke singangivumela ukuthi ngiphendule mangimele ngiphendule kodwa ngiyibeke.
Please just correct me. I initially started by saying that if you want to answer, you may answer. If you don't, fine. But subsequently, I said you don't have to answer. You remember?
Ati inkosi enkantolo ithi ke kwena ke izolo ikhulumile.
Yes, I remember that very well.
Yeah, so that's what I said. Okay.
Yathi qala ke
At
uma
the end, I said you should not. Okay.
athi gcineni uthize ungaphenduli.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And there's a reason for that.
Athi khona ke isathu salokho.
So he shouldn't respond.
No, because I don't want to make a finding.
Yes.
I just repeated what he said. That's
Yes.
all. Okay.
My understanding, my lord, I don't want to engage the court on this aspect, is that you want to correct,
Correct.
the remarks that were made by the court.
Correct the remarks.
Yes.
I repeated what he said. That's all. That they left and they drove 8 hours, 9 hours, they came back. That's it. They never stopped, they never had a meal, they never took a comfort break.
No,
Like he was being led by Mr. Ramsipid. You can ask Mr. Ramsipid. That's what I said.
we will leave it there for now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Just to revert to the question that I had asked you earlier. As at the 26th of October 2014, did you know accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa?
26 of the 6th council.
26 October 2014.
Athi ke umeli uzophinda kumbuzo akakubuze kuwena ke futhi ukuthi ngabe ngelanga la nge26 ngenyanga kaOctober ngomnyaka ka2014 kade umnumzana uMaphisa umazi noma kade ungamazi?
You know, I'm so disappointed by Advocate Ramasipili and mostly Advocate Mnisi. Right here, he was supposed to stand up for his client and correct the court because the court rewrote the record. Spear said yes to Ramasipili. Yes, the police stopped and ate. Except him. He's the one who didn't eat. The police ate. But Judge Racha is saying they did not eat from Valeria, Kempton Park to Mahlabatini and also back from Mahlabatini to Pretoria. They did not eat, the police. But that's where Muzi wanted to correct the court to say that no, I said they stopped and ate except me. I, Muzi Spear, I'm the one who did not eat. I was not afforded an opportunity to eat or to go to the bathroom or any comfort break. Han and trek from Pretoria and to Pretoria. What does Advocate Mnisi do? He's sleeping. He's snoring. This is very disturbing. I get that Advocate Zitulele was trying to get into it, but then he also backed up. Maybe Mshololo, but Mshololo was not there yesterday. I'm not sure if they picked this up. Even other YouTubers, I checked other YouTubers, they didn't cover this. But guys, am I the only one who noticed this? Because this is very big. The aim of the cross-examination of Advocate Ramasipili was to show the court the inhumane treatment that was done to Moses Biya. That was human right violation of some sort. That was the whole point of the cross-examination. I mean, that part, that was the whole point. And Judge Rata was not writing anything, and he comes to confuse the record. And Mnisi is sleeping. Mnisi, why are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping, Mr. Mnisi?
And at the time when you were booked out from Valeria, had you already had breakfast?
Umbuzo ukuthi ngesikhathi kade amaphoyisa ekuthatha lapha eValeria ekseni bosodlile isidlo sakho sasekuseni uma bungekasidli.
Bengingakadli.
I did not had my breakfast.
So from Valeria to Kenton Park to Mahlabathini, were you offered anything to eat or drink?
But manje usuka eValeria, Captain Park, nasuke Captain Park nahamba nazofika emakhaya eMahlabathini, ngabe bakupha yini isiphuzo sokuthi uphuze?
Cha, baze bengiphe lutho.
No, they never gave me anything.
Did you eat at your homestead, at your parents' homestead?
Ngabe wadla yini kini emakhaya?
Cha, akaze ngidle.
No, I never ate.
Did you have a drink at your parents' homestead?
Ngabe sikhona yini isiphuzo wathi ukusiphuza mawufika le kini emakhaya?
Cha, akaze ngiphuze.
No, I never drank anything.
The police officers that transported you, did they have food along the route when they were transporting you home?
Manje umuzo ukuthi amaphoyisa la kade uhamba nawo kuphelekeza le ekhaya ngabe bona kade benako yini ukudla ngabe khona yini isikhathi la badla ngaso emgwaqweni?
Yebo sikhona.
Yes.
The police officers that transported you, did they have food along the route when they were transporting you home?
Manje umuzo ukuthi amaphoyisa la kade uhamba nawo kuphelekeza le ekhaya ngabe bona kade benako yini ukudla ngabe khona yini isikhathi la badla ngaso emgwaqweni?
Yebo sikhona.
Yes.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.